Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Kickstart, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today we're diving deep into a comprehensive review of CoinEx, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this review will give you all the insights you need. And don't forget, you can use the CoinEx referral code g69h3 to get some amazing bonuses. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about CoinEx itself. CoinEx is a popular cryptocurrency exchange known for its robust features, user-friendly interface, and strong security measures. But what makes CoinEx stand out? CoinEx offers a wide range of features. From spot trading to margin and futures trading, it caters to all types of traders. The platform supports a vast array of cryptocurrencies, giving you plenty of options to diversify your portfolio. One of the unique selling points is CoinEx's staking options, which allow you to earn interest on your crypto holdings. Signing up on CoinEx is straightforward. You'll need to go through a quick verification process to unlock all features. The user interface is intuitive, whether you're accessing it via desktop or the mobile app. Beginners will find the platform easy to navigate, while advanced traders can utilize more sophisticated tools and charting options. Now, let's talk about fees. CoinEx is known for its competitive trading fees. The fees are quite low compared to other major exchanges, making it a cost-effective option for frequent traders. Withdrawal fees are also reasonable, and there are ways to minimize these costs by using CoinEx's native token, if applicable. Security is a top priority for CoinEx. The platform employs advanced security measures, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, withdrawal whitelist, and cold storage for the majority of funds. CoinEx has a solid track record with no major security breaches, which gives users confidence in the safety of their assets. Customer support on CoinEx is accessible through multiple channels, including live chat and email. There's also an extensive help center with guides and FAQs. While response times can vary, many users report positive experiences with the support team's helpfulness and professionalism. Let's break down the pros and cons of CoinEx. Pros: wide range of cryptocurrencies and trading options, low trading fees, strong security measures, user-friendly interface, excellent staking options. Cons: occasional slow customer support response times. Advanced features may be complex for complete beginners. Compared to other top exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, CoinEx stands out for its low fees and the innovative staking features. While Binance offers a broader range of cryptocurrencies and Coinbase is known for its beginner-friendly interface, CoinEx provides a balanced mix of features that cater to both novice and experienced traders. Here are some insights from real users. Many praise CoinEx for its comprehensive features and low fees. The staking options are often highlighted as a major plus, especially for those looking to earn passive income from their crypto holdings. However, a few users noted that the platform could be overwhelming for absolute beginners. Overall, the feedback is overwhelmingly positive. To wrap it up, CoinEx is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to trade cryptocurrencies. Its wide range of features, low fees, and robust security make it a top contender in the crypto exchange space. And don't forget to use the referral code G69H3 when you sign up to get some great bonuses and kickstart your trading journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more crypto tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.